Good afternoon. This is the second lesson in our grouping and sorting computing sessions. So last week we were using paper shapes and we were sorting them into different groups depending on lots of different criteria. So we were looking at colour, the number of sides, the types of sides that they had, whether they were straight or curved, and you came up with lots of different ways. So really well done. This week we're going to go online and I'm going to be setting you some to-dos in your to-do section, and we're all going to be all about different ways of sorting and grouping using computers. So we're going to go through this one together. Just going to press play.
Sort the shapes. You can position shapes on top of each other to make them fit in the correct category.
Just turning the volume up so you might be able to hear. So what we're going to do is sort the shapes into the given criteria, and we can see if we look in the white boxes, the criteria we're using is whether the shapes are red or blue. So I'm going to move the blue shapes over here out the way. I'm going to move anything that's red into that box. And that circle. Ooh, do you know what shape that is? Doesn't look like it normally does. It's a triangle. Here's a triangle. Here's a triangle. Okay, I think I'm done. So let me press this green button and see. Oh, tell you what, look, it's a good job I showed you that. Those ones have not been marked right because they're not right inside the box. Now if I go up here to the top, can you see this blue circle? I can play again if I want to and reset the game.
Sort the shapes. You can position shapes on top of each other to make them fit in the correct category.
Oh, that will teach me for not listening carefully to the instructions. There's a lesson to be learned there, children. We can put them on top so long as they fit inside the box. I'm just going to move that one over a bit. Let's try, because I like to have all ticks. Quite like that. A round of applause just for me. Now if I press the green button that says next, I've finished this quiz. I can play again, or I say, okay, I have finished. Okay. So what you've got today are these different activities. These will be in your to-dos. So remember, your to-dos are up here with the red tick. You go into them, you've got shape sides 1, shape sides 2, and then shapes and colour. I'm just going to show you this one because this one's a little bit more tricky, I think. This one's got a Venn diagram. Can you see the two circles are there? But this time there's a third space as well. Now we have touched on this in class. I wonder if anyone can remember what will go in the bit that's overlapped. So we've got red shapes here, 3-sided shapes here. So in the middle it will be a mixture of both, red and 3-sided. Okay, so that one's a little bit more tricky. I'm not going to do it for you because I'd like to see how you get on. It's going to take a little bit more brain thinking. Okay, so have a go. I'm looking forward to seeing your work later. Have fun. Bye.